Many people fail to make money with affiliate marketing because they are sending traffic to ugly looking landing page or directly to a sales page. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily, in just 5 minutes, totally free, make a professional looking landing page even if you are absolute beginner. So first you need to find a niche. Easiest way is to go on, for example, DeepSeek. And then here I will give it a prompt. I will say something like this. Analyze a top selling product on a Digistore24 and create a conversion architecture, okay? And press enter. And now DeepSeek will analyze and find the best selling products on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. As you can see, it is already analyzing these products. Just give it a few seconds to finish. Okay, here we can see DeepSeek found top performing product categories, and that is exactly what we need. E-business and marketing tools, finance, trading, crypto, health and wellness, European Dutch market products, software and SaaS subscriptions. Now, woodworking is obviously not in top selling category, but for fact, I know that woodworking is one of the best selling niches. So for example, I will go here on Digistore24 marketplace, and then here I will simply search for woodworking and give it a few seconds, and I will scroll here and I will click here on English because I only wish woodworking products on English language because I don't speak German or other languages. So here I need to find product that I wish to promote. Beginner's Guide to Woodworking with Hand Tools. Now that looks like a good product. Here you can see I can earn $98, almost $100 per sale. So what I actually need to click here on their sales page because I need their sales page. This is their sales page. It's actually not that good. As you can see, this is actually a well ugly looking sales page. They can do much better. That is why you should not send traffic to the sales page of these products directly. You need to send traffic to the landing page. So now I need to go back here on DeepSeek and I need to give it a new prompt. So I will give it prompt like this, but I need to go back here and I need to copy the title of this product. And here you can see this is the name of this product, and I need to go back here on DeepSeek, and then here you can see the beginner's guide. So I need to replace this with my title, with the title of my ebook. Okay, so for some reason this went here. Okay, and now I need to press enter. But I will actually do exactly the same thing here on the ChatGPT, okay? And I will actually give it the same prompt. So let me just copy this prompt here. I will copy this entire prompt, okay? And you need to give it a few seconds to finish this. As you can see, DeepSeek is creating this entire page for me. As you can see here, they are creating biggest silent pain points. Here you can see transformation map before and after. Here you can see hook story offer sequence. Here you can see FIQs, frequently asked questions, and this is how this looks. So now I need to give it a new prompt. So I need to do another thing, but this thing I will actually do on Google Gemini because Google Gemini for this thing is better than DeepSeek. So here you can see this is my prompt. So here you can see product name. So I need to go back here on Digistore24 and I need to copy this product name again and go back here, and here where it says product name, I will replace that with the name of my product. Okay, so let me just under quotes, I will add this under quotes, and here you can see this is my entire prompt. So now I just need to press enter, and now Google Gemini will create this for me. High click-through rate meta titles. Now Google Gemini is much better for SEO and AI art directory. It will give me prompts to create images, professional looking images. I can create those images in Midjourney, or I can even use Google Gemini, Google Nano Banana to make these images. And here you can see high click-through rate meta tags. Here you can see high CTR meta titles. Here you can see meta description, AI hero image prompt. Now here you can see this is for SEO, for search engine optimization. So my landing page can rank as high as possible on search results. And in that way I will get organic traffic, and I will get a free traffic. Now here you can see AI Hero image prompt. They already gave me a prompt for image that I can create in Midjourney or even in Google Nano Banana. Here you can see strategic color palette, and here you can see why this works. So now I actually need to make this page, okay? I need to create this page. So for that I need to give it a new prompt. Now for me personally, ChatGPT and DeepSeek gives the best results when it comes to HTML, when it comes to web page design. So I will come here on ChatGPT and I will paste this prompt here. And here you can see product name again. So I need to go back here and I need to copy this product name again. And here I will add my product name, okay? And I will period, okay? And I will put this under quotes, okay? And this is really important. When I scroll here you can see paste DeepSeek hook story here. So I need to go back here on DeepSeek and I need to scroll back here. So let me just find, here you can see hook story offer, okay? So I need to copy this, okay? I need to copy this, Control C, I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to paste that here, okay? This is my story, okay? And based on this story, ChatGPT will create this entire page. So all I have to do now is just press enter and now ChatGPT will create this page. But like I said, DeepSeek quite often gives a better result. So I will simply copy this entire prompt, okay? Control C, and I will go back here on DeepSeek and I will give it this prompt and then press enter just to see what kind of results DeepSeek will give me. Here you can see it already start writing code. And when I go back here you can see ChatGPT is also writing this code. Just give it a few seconds to finish writing this code. And ChatGPT finished writing this code. Here you can see, if you want, I can also add payment integration, turn this into high converting VSL funnel. Now that will come later, okay, when you get more experience. Or optimize it for even higher conversion rate with A/B testing structure. This will also come later when you get more experience, okay? So let me just click here to see how this page actually looks, okay? And here you can see how this page looks. By now, here you can see how this page looks. Get instant access. This is how it looks. So now here I can actually add my affiliate link, my Digistore24 affiliate link. All I have to do is just go back here on Digistore24, click here, copy promo link. And now I can simply go back here and I can find this where it says get instant access. Just go here on code, okay, and find where it says get instant access. Okay, here you can see buy now, and here I need to add my affiliate link. So what I need to do, I simply need to go back here and I need to give it a new prompt, and I can say something like this. Here you can see add this link, and this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. Add to the button that says buy now, and then press enter, and now ChatGPT will do exactly that, okay? So let's just see what DeepSeek did, okay? And let's just go back here, and here when I click on run, I can see how this looks. Now as you can see, DeepSeek gave me actually a better looking page. This is for me, in my opinion, a better looking page. Here you can see secure instant download. Now that is not my hook, okay, that is not my anchor text, so I need to find it here and I need to replace that here. And the same thing, I will say same thing, add this link, my Digistore24 affiliate link, to the button that says buy now, and press enter, and now DeepSeek will do exactly that, okay? So let me just close this, and now DeepSeek will do exactly that. So all you have to do after that, you just need to click here on download and you will download this page, and also you can go back here on ChatGPT and you can also copy and paste this page here, okay? You will copy this entire page, paste it in HTML, in TXT file, and save it as an HTML, and you can upload this on your web hosting, okay? And that is exactly what you can do with this page on DeepSeek. Just click here on download and you will download this entire page. And all you have to do is just add your Digistore24 affiliate link and just upload it and start sending traffic to that page, to that landing page. And these people will convert in higher number and you will start getting conversion because this page is much better than this sales page. As you can see, this is their sales page. When we go back here, we will see that this page here is actually a better looking page, okay, than this one. And your conversion rate will be better and you will start making sales. You will start making more money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing, okay? That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.